Do you say start for everything? Start a project, start talking, start working, start learning. Using the same verb again and again makes your English sound basic. Strong speakers choose more precise verbs depending on context. Watch carefully. Subscribe and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Start is correct, but it's very general. Here are 6 better alternatives. 1. When beginning a project or task. Instead of start a project, say begin a project. Launch a project. Initiate a project. Example: we're launching a new project this week. Two. When beginning to speak. Instead of start talking, say begin speaking. Speak up. Start talking better. Begin the conversation. Example: he began the conversation confidently. 3. When beginning work. Instead of start working, say get to work. Begin working. Get started. Example: let's get to work. Thanks for watching until the end. If you're interested in IELTS and want to improve step by step, please check out my Gumroad link in the video description. I've made practical materials that you can actually use for your study. And if this video helped you even a little, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is my next goal, and your support really helps me keep creating free lessons like this. Subscribes and likes are what keep this channel going. They're the reason I can keep making more helpful English videos for you. If you want to watch more lessons right now, click one of the videos on the screen. I'll see you in the next video.